Montgomery from wildrose911.com. We specialise in the Crown Victoria. We rebuild them for police departments, sheriffs, law enforcement. We also supply used vehicles as well. We had a customer give us a call. He has a supercharged Crown Victoria which needs an engine replacement. He researched who would be the best to do the job. He chose us because of our expertise. So we'll keep you abreast of the engine change on this supercharged one. So these engines are so strong you can even run a supercharger on them. So here we are. We have the car here, and we'll keep you abreast of what's going on as we change the engine out and do any modifications that are needed to this car. Have a nice day.